guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing boho goddess twists. So if you guys follow a lot of naturalistas on YouTube, you will see that a lot of them have been doing the boho goddess braids. But you guys, it is so time consuming. A lot of them have said it's taking them 6, 7, and up to 11 hours to complete the style. And you guys, I am not about that life right now. So I figured that if I did the boho goddess twist, that the time will probably be cut in half. That is what I'm hoping. So I'm gonna be doing them medium size, because if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys will know that my hair is not very dense. So when I do like a lot of like mini twists and things like that, you see a lot of scalp. So I'm hoping that me doing them medium size, it will give my hair a much juicier look. So as far as what's going on with my hair right now, I did wash it. So I did a full wash day today. I shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and I have a leave-in right now in my hair. So I have the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I have. And also I added this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. This is a penetrating oil for all hair types. You guys, I am in love with this. When I tell you this makes my hair so easy to detangle, you guys, it literally turns my hair into butter. I love this stuff. Definitely cop it if you haven't. This will always be a staple in my wash day going forward. So yeah, all right y'all, so I have my hair sectioned off. So I am going to get started with the back section first. As I said, I am not going to be doing them really small. So it is currently 4:30, you guys. So I am about to get started on the back. The only thing I'm going to be using to define my curls is my Eco Styler gel, because honestly I get the best results with my Eco Styler gel. And I'm not too crazy about like my parts or anything like that, especially in the back. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Eco Styler gel and rub it along. Split that in half. Make sure the halves are even. I'm gonna begin twisting. Then I'm gonna take out a little bit of hair. We'll take that gel and rub it along. Ooh, y'all, this gonna be pretty. Ooh. Then we're gonna take a little bit out from the left side. Y'all, I see why this is time consuming. I see 100% why this is time consuming. And then we keep twisting. And then for this one, you guys, I'm not even gonna twist all the way down. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Boom. Boom. This is how we're looking so far. All right guys, so I'm back. I felt like the shirt was a little bit too dark, so I just changed it. But this is what we're working with so far. Very pretty. So we're gonna move on to number 2. As I said, I'm doing these rather like fat. I don't want to do them very thin at all. I want my hair to look like really fluffy. So let's go in with the second time. I'm gonna add some Eco to my hands just to work on that definition. Split it in 2 and then start twisting. When I get a little ways down, now I'm gonna start to separate a little piece of hair. Define that with the Eco. Define that with the gel. Twist, twist, twist. Let's do another definition strand. We'll twist it down. Then we're gonna do this side. Keep on twisting. Y'all, this is so pretty. Wow. It's crazy because my best friend had told me to do this like maybe a month ago, and y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I was dreading it because I was like, man, that's just gonna be so much. So this little strand I'm gonna leave out. I was like, man, that's gonna take so much time. But I'm happy she suggested this to me because y'all, it is pretty. It's so unique and different, and it's really, really pretty. And for the ones that look like it doesn't have enough gel, just go back in and just define it. Okay, so the first row is completed. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. So I'm gonna keep working my way up until I get to the front. I'll come back and kind of show you how different parts of my hair look with it. But let me know what you guys think so far. Would you try the boho box twist instead of the boho box braids, or do you still like the boho box braids better? Let me know.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you, night turning to morning.
So with most of these, I don't even like twist it or plait it all the way down because I like how the ends look like when it's curly like this. Like, how cute is that, you guys? And I just let it be, let it fall.
Then you feel it rushing in, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place, my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone.
All right, guys, so it is now 5:04 and I am halfway done. The back is completely done. So now I'm gonna work on the front. This might take a little bit longer, but you know, we don't mind. So I'm gonna get started on this side. I do have my spray bottle right here, so I'm just gonna wet this section and begin. So this section of my hair is a little bit kinkier than the back section. So the curls aren't going to be as defined at the front. It's going to be a little bit more on the frizzy side, but that's completely okay. So this is what we have so far, you guys. Very cute. Very cute, very full, a lot of body, which is what I love. So I'm almost done. It's 5:21, so I've been doing it for about 50 minutes, and doing the twist definitely cuts the time down significantly. So if you guys are interested in doing the boho braids, but you're like, man, that's gonna take so much time, try the twist. You guys might actually really, really love it. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back and I am all done. So it is 5:43, which means it took an hour and 43 minutes. No, it took an hour and 13 minutes to do the style, which is pretty much nothing, you guys. So let me do a spin around so y'all can see. So this is the style still in its wet state, so I'm going to allow it to dry a little bit, shrink up a little bit more, get a little bit more body, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys the final results of me doing the super cute boho goddess twist. As you guys know, I decided to do the twist instead of the braids just to cut down on time, and y'all, the plan worked because it really only took a little bit over an hour to do this entire style, you guys, so I am here for it. But if you guys still would like for me to do the boho braids, comment boho braids down below and I will do that style and post it sometime next week. So if I get 20 comments saying boho braids, I will definitely do the style next week and post it on the channel. But yeah guys, I really enjoy how this looks on me. It's very versatile, it's fun, and it's really perfect for the summer heat. Also, I want to say, if you guys don't want it to be as curly as mine is, you can always leave out less hair. As I mentioned before, my hair is not very dense, so a lot of times when I do like mini twists or plaits or anything like that, you see a lot of scalp. So I wanted to leave out more curls so that I can give myself a lot more volume. So that is why I left out so many curls, and I really like the look. It looks like a wash and go, but not really a wash and go with twists. Like it's really a fun style. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, ask them down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Your places like I do. My place